Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Cardano. Wanted to do a quick video. I mean, the market circumstances right now are far from ideal. We've had a very bad start of this week. And I know that there's quite a significant Cardano community around Cilinix Crypto, and just in general, it's been requested quite often in the last couple of weeks. So maybe this is not the most positive time to do an update, but it is a crucial time to do an update. All right, so that's... So let's get right into it. I mean, Cardano right now, first of all, fundamentally, Cardano has done quite well this year. We've had, as far as I know, we've had two big rallies in terms of total value locked. And that's also, well, yeah, I mean, this was the first rally, and right now total value locked has dropped down, but it's still up a lot since like it's higher than March 2022. Which is great, all right, because then we just entered the bear markets. So Cardano, fundamentally, I actually do think if we talk about it in the sense of the last year, I think the attractiveness as an investment for the next bull market has certainly increased. Now, if we look at the technicals right now, though, because that is, of course, one of the main reasons why you're watching this video, the technicals are far from ideal, right? The open interest, especially probably since that flush we had beginning of January, open interest has been low. Now, we've had a bit of an open interest increase over the course of Friday last week. That was right here. Bit of recovery, but in the end, the open interest was still quite low compared to the last couple of weeks. And in the last day, it's been dropping. So momentum is being lost. We found resistance here at the EMAs, which means those are trending indicators. So if price reacts to that, that usually is a bearish confirmation and that we're trending in the bearish way. And then apart from that, Bitcoin is not looking great. Now, so a lot of things are not looking great. What does give me a bit of hope is that Cardano is actually compared to, for example, the spike at the 19th of January, or just in general, it still has a lot of support right here around 45 cents. And that's still quite a way down. That's, about 7% down or so from here. That's quite a big drop. And Bitcoin is also nearing a major support level at 40,000. And then what I wanted to look up is whether there's also perhaps some liquidity for Cardano to the downside, because then there's actually a possibility that we can find some support. All right, well, it's not necessarily the case. For Cardano, it looks like most of the liquidity is around like 0.37 cents. There's a bit of liquidity at 0.46 cents, but it does look likely to me that we will drop down lower. All right, I think it's not hard to realize that it's most likely will drop down from here. But then the big question is first of all, we'll drop down to 46 and 45 and 44 perhaps cents. So that's this level down here. I'll quickly mark it for you. That's the main support level right here. I do expect support there, because the only way we would not find support there is if Bitcoin gets a major crash, and that's not necessarily what I expect. I expect Bitcoin to at least find some support. But ultimately, I also do think that Bitcoin will break down below 40,000 and drop down to 38,000. So Cardano right now, I think it's going to be bearish on the short term. I think we're going to be able to hold support here, but eventually I also do think that support is going to break and will drop down to that 40 cents level. So that's a little bit more for the longer term. Short term, I just expect bearish momentum. There's not a ton of liquidity, so there's probably also not going to be a lot of volatility. But just in general, be careful, right, while trading this. Market circumstances are not ideal. If you want more info regarding the markets or just in general trades, etc., if you want to know when I'm trading Cardano, which I'm not sure if that will come, but still, consider joining my premium or signals group. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching though. Take care and bye.